Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the phones discoverable and ready. First, make sure both iPhones have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled because Airdrop uses both radios to form a secure peer link. Next, open Settings and set Airdrop visibility to contacts only or everyone depending on who you trust. Contacts only limits visibility to known people. Everyone simplifies pairing for quick sharing. Keep devices unlocked and within about 30 feet. Once done, you're ready to initiate a transfer from the sending device. Now you perform the send action. Open the app that holds the file, photos for images, files for documents, and tap the share button. Airdrop will appear among the options because Bluetooth advertises the transfer. Tap Airdrop and choose the recipient's device name shown. You'll see their icon and device type. On the receiving phone, a prompt appears with a preview. You accept to start the transfer. This two-step consent prevents unsolicited files and ensures you control what arrives on your device. Finish by confirming the item landed in the right app. Photos go to photos, documents to files, contacts to contacts. If the transfer stalls, first move the phones closer and toggle Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on both devices. These quick resets often restore the peer link. If problems persist, turn Airdrop off and on, and as a last resort reboot. If contacts only prevents discovery, add the sender to your contacts with their matching Apple ID, or temporarily set Airdrop to everyone while you complete the transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.